Hello bunnies, welcome back. It's been a while since my last video, but things have been a little bit crazy at work and my personal life and stuff, so I haven't had much time to work on these things. And I also just wanted to take a bit of a break after Lisa's Taylor, just to, you know, take that pressure off myself to make videos because I'm quite lazy. But today I'm back and I've got a brand new build to show you, and not just new as in starting over, but something that I've never done before. So this is a book nook by Rolife. It's called the Magic House. And you'll see that it kind of looks a little bit like Diagon Alley from Harry Potter, which is why I loved it, because I like Harry Potter. There's another one in this series called Time Travel that kind of looks like the Hogwarts train and the platform and stuff. So depending on how this one goes, maybe I'll look at getting that one as well. So as always, there's a little story on the box. Well, story. Magic gathering quietly. The midnight disappears after casting a spell. So I'm quite excited to start this one. I'm not really sure what to expect, but I do think it'll be easier than the other builds because there are no flowers to fold or like anything to cut out. It looks like it's mostly laser cut little wood pieces that get slotted and glued together. Could be wrong though. As far as I know, this one has a couple of lights, which is really cool. So yeah, let's see what's inside and get this thing started as soon as possible. Okay, so here we are with the Magic House box. Let's see, how does this open? Okay, so here's the manual. You'll see it's quite thick. Parts list. There's a diagram of what it's going to look like. It looks quite complicated, but this reminds me actually of the Christmas Town kit that I built over December, which was also wooden bits and pieces that looked very similar to this, but those instructions were quite a bit simpler. So it looks like this does take you in a sort of, you can do it bit by bit. So I don't have to do it all in one go. I can do sections. Yeah, so this makes me a bit nervous, I'm not gonna lie. Let me see the lighting. Oh, that's cute. There's 3 different areas that have lights, which is really nice. Okay, well, there's a nice picture of the other ones. These are quite cute. See, I'm building, well, my husband is building a new bookshelf for us, and I'm planning on putting this in the new bookshelf. Okay, so let's start here. That's one of the lampshades, obviously, and some screws, and there's tiny little brackets. That's so cute. That's adorable. I'm not sure what these are for, but time will tell. There's the lights. Oh, there's 4 little bulbs. Lots of wire. Only one light box and what looks like a sort of a circuit or something. Interesting. Lots of screws. Whee! And a gigantic tube of latex glue. Wow. That's insane. Okay. Alright, there's that. Now, this is obviously all the wooden pieces. Let's see. See, there's some paper and acrylic stuff here. Another cute little sanding paper disc. Okay, here's a Perspex thing with a nice print on it. It's cool. And this is like a thicker plastic sign. This is, looks like clear plastic. I'm not sure what this is for, but it might be like a clear plastic sticker that you kind of laminate something with. I don't know. These are cardboard, little cardboard pieces. Whoopsie. Okay, I think they probably used for signage or something. This is interesting. You can see through these. They look like stained glass. But I'm sure these must be sort of display thingies that go inside the windows, because they've got fold marks and stuff on them. It's pretty cool. Some more thick cardboard. Pretty cool. And then a whole bunch of wooden laser cut pieces. They've got all their part numbers on them. Jeez, this is a lot. It's very intimidating. There's the cool tree with the owl. There's this sign that goes in the front. Looks like this thing must go on there somehow, I don't know. Not sure how that's gonna work. There's a big sheet. So much pretty detail in these cutouts. It's very pretty. Oh, and here is the actual outside of the book nook. Oh. Very pretty. I might actually want to paint this with gold paint. I think it would look quite cool. Here's the other side. This is obviously the back end of it. The little crow on there. Very cool. Yeah, interesting. So this looks like it requires zero cutting out, zero folding of things. Seems pretty straightforward, even though the actual instructions look like an instruction manual on how to fly a plane, but it's in a different language. So I really hope that I don't mess this up, but I'm going to take it slow and see how it goes.